So imagine you come home and your kid has decided to play in the scissors and they've done this. I'm going to walk you guys through how to even out this cut. So we're going to start off by parting the front from ear to ear and separating the front from the back. Once we section off that front area, we're going to go ahead and clip that section out of the way. I'll be using alligator clips and duck clips today to control my sections. And if you guys don't use clips, I just want to stress the importance of clips and just having control of the area that you are working on. So I'm going to split the back section into two sections, but as I split them into two, I am going to comb down the nape area. The nape area is usually the shortest length of hair on the head, so you want to separate that section first in case it is shorter than the rest of the hair, but if it isn't, that's always going to be your guide. So as you guys can see, our kid chopped the left side of their head. So we already have a guideline to go off of. We're just going to clean up and follow that cut. So once we have our guideline, we're going to go ahead and pull down half of the right section. And as I comb it down, you guys already see that clear guideline underneath, but as you go higher up, you're going to cut a little bit longer than that line. And the reason we do that is because if sometimes we comb it down, we think it's right at the line. When you let it go, it may be a little bit shorter. So if it's a little bit over, it'll keep that blunt cut throughout. When it's a little bit shorter, that's when you kind of start building layers. And as you guys can see, when you work in sections, it makes it easier to cut, and then you're not cutting as much hair at once. So see, we're halfway there. So we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing, split about half of that section. And as you guys can see, this is where our kid did the cutting. So all we're doing is cleaning up this side. Once we finish the back, we are going to go ahead and start the front. And in the front, all we're doing is slicing the front section down the middle, and we're going to clip off one side and start on the other side. So on the front, I'm actually going to split it into three sections. I'm going to do this first section, comb it down, and then I'm going to split the rest of the hair into two more sections and do the same. And like we said earlier, our kid cut most of this side. So all we're doing is cleaning up this side, and we're going to proceed to the other side and do the same thing. By the way, when you pull all the hair down and cut it all the same length, this is considered a 0-degree haircut, meaning we're pulling it all down. We're not elevating the hair at all, and it's all going to be the same length in the end. So this is just a beginner step at evening the hair out. If you're able to do so, a lot of people hair naturally grows in layers. So that would be another video where I show you guys actually how to go into the hair and cut it in layers. But for her, we're just going around and we're making it all the same length. So once I get to this very last section of hair, I always want to make sure it's even with the other side. So I'm just combing that front section forward, and I'm just going to go straight across to ensure that it's the same length on both sides. So this was a quick, simple tutorial. She's all set. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.